Hi everyone. Today I want to reflect on how the Sustainable Development Goals can transform an organization's strategic management planning. First, which SDGs belong in an organization's foundational elements? A tech company might embed SDG 4, quality education, into its mission by creating digital learning tools, or SDG 9, industry innovation and infrastructure, in its vision to build an inclusive technology ecosystem. A manufacturing firm could include SDG 12, responsible consumption and production, or SDG 13, climate action, in long-term objectives to reduce carbon footprints. The key is to choose SDGs that connect directly to your core purpose so they feel authentic, not just added on. Next, how do SDGs guide strategic decisions that balance social, environmental, and economic goals? The SDGs act as a common framework to measure trade-offs and identity synergies. For example, investing in renewable energy, SDG 7, affordable and clean energy, reduces environmental impact while cutting long-term operational costs. Training and upskilling employees, SDG 8, decent work and economic growth boost social equity and improves workforce productivity. Instead of choosing between doing good and doing well, the SDGs help organizations find solutions that deliver value across all three dimensions. Finally, what lessons can we apply moving forward? First, think systemically. The SDGs remind us that organizational actions are connected to global challenges. So strategies should consider broader impacts. Second, use inclusive metrics beyond financial KPIs. Track progress against SDG targets like gender parity. SDG 5 or waste reduction rates. Third, collaborate widely. The SDGs are a collective agenda, so partnering with stakeholders amplifies results. Integrating the SDGs isn't just about corporate responsibility, it's about building resilient, purpose-driven organizations that thrive in our changing world.